If you're responsible for the IT of your organization, chances are you're going to get complaints about performance, specifically report performance from your line of business application. Now, this is the critical application that basically derives what it is, the service or product or whatever that your company delivers to your clients. So let's talk about report performance and basically database performance and some key things that you can do. Number one, always talk to a vendor. Talk to the vendor who is responsible for maintaining, upgrading, all that kind of fun stuff. Get specific criteria from your end users as to, is it specific reports, is it specific times, is it specific selection criteria. Try to nail it down. And then what is unacceptable? Talk to the vendor, but talk openly. Don't make it as their fault or they have to fix it or the end users are crazy or whatever. And just see what they say. And if they sound like they're reading from a script, that means they really either have a problem and they don't know how to fix it, or they're not really paying attention or giving you much credit for understanding the problem. But here's a couple of things that you can do. Number one is take a look at the hardware that the application is running on. Now, usually we've got these in virtual environments, where we're running Hyper-V or VMware or the like. If that's the case, then what you want to try to do is to isolate the database so it's on the fastest hard drives possible, SSDs when possible, and spread out over multiple drives so you get the best bang for the buck, because quite honestly, it's the disk I/O that slows most reports down. And that's the one thing that you have under your control, as well as adding more memory. Databases love memory. And we can get into all sorts of questions about data caching and all that kind of fun stuff if you're interested. But talk to the vendor, take a look at the hard drive configurations, especially if you can create separate areas for temp DBs and the like. So let me know if you're having this problem and it's really driving you nuts, because sometimes two heads are better than one, even if one of the heads is this one. Tell me about it in the comments below.